Hey guys, it's Jen. I just wanted to get you up and running on Keyset in less than 5 minutes. So once you've signed up with us, this is what you have. This is called the app. There are two things that Keyset actually needs to work. So there's the app and there's the extension. So before you do anything else, you're going to go up and grab the extension. And to do that, just go up to download. It will take you directly to the Google Chrome store. Just go to add to Chrome. Yep, sounds great. Add my extension. And actually what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to pin my extension. So I just clicked on that little puzzle piece and I'm pinning it because I know I'm going to use Keyset a whole bunch, especially anytime that I'm grading things. I'm going to go back to the app right here. It really doesn't look like there's a whole bunch of anything, but don't worry. We've actually already shared some of our favorite shortcuts with you. So if you go to shared keyboards up at the top, these are all keyboards that have been shared with you. Keyboards, another term for them are comment banks. So if you're grading some essays and you need to just get started right away, you can click on general essay feedback and this comment bank is just good to go. You're ready to go. You can use it as is. If for some reason there's something that's on here that you want to alter or you need a different comment or anything like that, no big deal. Just make your own copy. So go up to copy. And you can rename it whatever you want. And then at any point, you can go in and edit. So editing, you can go in here, edit, just make sure that you hit the save button. If you want to change the keystroke, you can change that up here. So keystroke is literally, it's just the shortcut key. So if I push an I on my keyboard, this specific comment will come in. So that's pretty awesome. So I'm just going to cancel this because there's nothing I really need to change quite yet. Again, there's lots of different ones if you want to know where they are. Again, shared keyboards, and they're all right here. So there's a general feedback one, positive feedback, essay feedback, and so on. If you want to add your own keyboard, that's down here. So you would just click to add a keyboard, and this is your own comment bank. So I'm just going to click on new essay or whatever it is that you want. If for some reason you want to just start from an existing keyboard, you can, but I don't really have any, so I'm just going to add right here. And then your shortcuts, super easy. So shortcut keystroke is, again, the key that you are going to put in. So I'm putting in G. Description is just for you. It's whatever is going to remind you what this says. So I'm just going to say good job. Of course, your comments are going to be way more exciting than good job. But that's all I've got right now. My brain space is pretty running on empty right now. School year's been a little crazy. So good job. So everything's all ready. I've got my new comments, and that's just kind of it. If I wanted to add additional comments, I'm just going to click here, add additional shortcuts. I can organize my comments into folders. Again, this is pretty self-explanatory. So this is where you build your comment banks. Your comment banks then are ready to use anywhere that you need them, which is super awesome. And to use them, all you have to do is just turn them on at the extension. So here I am. I actually use my comments in two different places. Our LMS is Canvas. I've also used Keyset on a variety of different places, Google Classroom, for instance, Schoology, all of those places. So it works. But right here is a Google document. So let's say that I do want to use some of those essay comments. So here I am. I'm going to click on the essay comment keyboard. So that's right here. The next thing you have to do is just enable it. So I want to make sure that I'm ready to go. So I'm going to type these J's and maybe even some verb tense consistency guidance. Now, of course, I probably would be typing this directly into a student paper, but whatever. So I'm turning it on and I'm enabling. If I do want to print these and have a cheat sheet next to me so I know what all these letters mean, I can as well. So enabled, and then I'm just going to go over here and type in a J. And immediately what you are going to see is, so for me right now, see how nothing worked? Oh my gosh, don't freak out, okay? Because I always freak out on that. You just need to refresh your actual screen. So I just refreshed right now, and now I can type in a J, and it's no problem. So capitalization error. I might have, if I wanted to add something over here, I don't remember what they are. Just a second. If I wanted to add verb tense is inconsistent. I do want to point out right here that Keyset will keep, if you copy and paste your comments, the color and style choice. So I really like to have blue editing if I'm writing directly in a student paper. But over here, if I wanted to type a C over, oh, that's not it, the capitalization error one, which is a J. So if I want to type a J over here, you'll notice that it's only going to paste whatever is accepted. So it just accepts that. So comment. no big deal. If I was grading something in Speed Grader, so again, if I'm over here and I want to give comments here, again, I just hit a J, and because it was already open, I'm going to need to do this refresh. And you don't have to do this every time. It's literally just the first time that you install Keyset. So I refreshed over here. I'm going back over here, and I'm clicking a J, and then boom, it's ready to go. If I wanted to comment directly on a student paper, I can go here, click J, everything's ready to go. And all of these comments are ready. If I wanted to go and start using a different keyboard, just go back and choose a different keyboard that's right here. If my new keyboard is not showing, I'm going to need to refresh really fast. And there it is. There's my new essay keyboard. Super exciting. There's my G for good job. I just want to show you what that looks like. So I've enabled it. Going back here, I don't need to do the refresh thing because I've already done it the first time. And it just says good job. You don't ever need to refresh after the very, very first time. So I could go on to another Google document and I would not need to refresh. So let's go right here. Just want to make sure that I'm proving my point. So I can go here and hit G, and good job automatically shows up. So there you go. So Keyset, super easy to comment on things. You've got your keyboards already ready to go. Again, you can go to your shared keyboards and pick up our comments that we've populated for you. Love these rocket ones. And just general positive feedback. General feedback's right here. Again, this is not what the comments say, so you might need to click directly on the keyboard itself, and you'll be able to see what the comments are. So make sure that you're using, of course, your teacher voice and the voice that your students would recognize and associate most with you. But that's it. Happy grading. I hope you enjoy Keyset.